And we had that historic 3 candles down with now a bounce today off key support. Actually, if you pull up the SPY chart instead of the SPX to see the overnight trading, you'll see that we had a little double bottom bounce. So we'll see if that can hold. But what I really want to do is zoom out to the weekly and just compare this to past drops. We have the COVID drop here. We have the 2022 bear market right here. And we have our current drop. And in terms of points, these are now all just about equal. This one has been a little bigger, but they're all around 1,300 points. Percentage-wise, this hasn't been as great as these because we're at higher levels, but we've dropped 1,300 points on each of them. We have some uptrending support coming potentially here, but the main thing I want to look at from the lows of 2022 right here to the highs of January right there, we are exactly on the 50% level, and we are also on that previous peak right before the 2022 bear market. So if support is going to come in at any point, this is really where it has to happen for us on the S&P. We've already had a lot of damage done by this drop, but if we can see a solid recovery and if we can get above these past highs right here that we rejected from, and ideally above the 200 MA, that would really help put us in a stronger position. If, on the other hand, we have a weak bounce, set another lower high, drop below the 50%, and test that from the underside and reject, that would really take us into a bigger correction. And I hate to even say this, but that could be a couple years of downward or sideways action till we see all-time highs again.